Headaches can be debilitating, but nature offers powerful solutions to help you find relief without relying solely on medication. In this video, we'll explore 5 scientifically backed natural strategies to eliminate headaches and reclaim your quality of life. 1. Magnesium, the mineral miracle. Magnesium is a game changer for headache sufferers. Found in foods like dark chocolate, dried figs, mackerel, and pumpkin seeds, this essential mineral can significantly reduce headache frequency and intensity. Clinical studies have shown that people with migraines often have low magnesium levels, and supplementing with 400 mg daily can help decrease headache occurrences. 2. Hydration and nutrition, your daily defense. Staying hydrated is crucial in preventing headaches. Experts recommend consistent water intake throughout the day, especially in dry climates. Combine this with regular, balanced meals to stabilize blood sugar and reduce headache triggers. Aim to eat at consistent times and never skip meals to keep your body in balance. 3. Essential oils, nature's pain relief. Peppermint, lavender, and eucalyptus essential oils offer powerful headache relief. Try diffusing these oils or gently massaging diluted essential oils onto your temples and wrists. Research suggests these natural remedies can help reduce headache severity and provide quick, soothing relief. 4. Ginger, the herbal headache helper. Ginger is more than just a spice, it's a natural headache fighter. Studies have shown that ginger supplements can reduce migraine pain and associated symptoms like nausea. You can consume ginger through supplements or by brewing a fresh ginger tea, which also helps keep you hydrated. 5. Stress management and sleep hygiene. Consistent sleep patterns and stress reduction are critical in preventing headaches. Aim to maintain a regular sleep schedule, practice relaxation techniques, and engage in moderate physical activity. Even a 20-minute walk can help reduce headache frequency and improve overall well-being. By incorporating these natural strategies into your daily routine, you can take control of your headaches and enjoy a pain-free life. Remember, everyone is different, so be patient and find the combination that works best for you.